Oh, look at those.
Let's go for one.
Yeah. Dude, look at that structure right there. That's pretty
yeah.
awesome. Holy moly. It'd be way better if we had a paved road out here, though. Oh my gosh.
Where does it drove into the circulation? Is that the turn or no?
No.
No.
What the hell?
Ooh, feel that gushing.
Look on my map, see where.
Is that hill? Lightning.
It says we're supposed to be like a slight right up here on Longview.
That's debris.
Where?
Leaves flying out.
I know, I see it. It's fine. Whoa. Let's go. Hurry up. Some strong wind. Just watch.
Hey guys, we're intercepting a tornado warning. Got leaves coming down in front of us, which could be debris. Very strong winds coming ahead of us in this tornado warning. We are very close to it. Coming down.
I know. I'm trying to think, where are we out of? Close to Warren, Arkansas?
Yeah, close to Warren. No, there was a clearing right there.
Was there?
Yeah. So we are intercepting a tornado warning. You want to share this video, guys? I'm telling you, we're inside of a tornado warning right now. Tornado warning set. Ooh,
Yeah.
something already went through here.
Yeah.
Right when that RFD probably hit us on that turn.
Yeah.
Ooh, lightning. Dead ahead. Something definitely went through here. There's fresh leaves all over the ground.
It could have been.
Oh, large
What?
stick.
Oh.
Hold on. Yeah, that's it. Sorry guys, we are in the middle of a tornado warning cell. We're live here just outside of Warren, Arkansas. Had a lot of leaves flying at us, which could be debris. So this is a very wooded area. So stick with us.
We got any theories?
I hope we get a clearing. There's a lot of rotation over our heads, guys. A lot of rotation. Lots of lightning. All right. Sorry, guys. We got a clearing here.
Look at that. Oh, that's
What?
pretty neat. Okay, never mind. Just some lowering. But I think, let me look and see where the radar is. Jeez. Okay, all right, hold on.
Well, I'm trying to look. While we have a clearing, I'm trying to
Yeah.
look and see where everything is around us.
It's moving.
So that's
Okay,
flown.
it looks like tornado's canceled. Let me look and see where the rotation is. Rotation is just still to our north. See all that? We're coming
Yeah.
up on it. Yeah.
So we are coming up on their area rotation.
It could still pop down any minute, man.
So we're gonna keep going. What's the road that we turn on?
Hold on. Okay, go straight 1.1 miles. It's gonna be Ben Loveless Road.
There's still debris. There's still leaves falling from the sky. So we're gonna take a right or left?
It will be right.
A right on the Ben Loveless.
Yep.
Well, at least we're in the clearing.
It's big drops.
Yeah. Looks like we're just coming into the core. You're watching live coverage. We're in a tornado-warned cell. Still a lot of rotation with it. Hopefully it doesn't mean... Ooh, lightning. A lot of trees around us, so we're exercising caution since we know that we are close to the area rotation right now. But we do have service and we do have access to our Doppler, and we are just about to drive into the area rotation. Right.
Be right. Yes.
Right. 172 east.
Yep. So we stay on this.
Continue on Van Loveless Road for 5 miles.
So we should intercept the area rotation on this road, guys.
Foggy windows. Foggy windows.
Let me turn that off. Turn that in. Watching live coverage, guys. You should see a lot of lightning.
Like literally, I can't see anything. Steamy.
I was trying to...
There's something in the road up there.
All the garbage cans are knocked over.
Yeah.
A lot of tree branches and stuff. Sorry guys, like I said, we are in a cell trying to get to this area rotation here.
Gotta have.
There we go. Oh, lightning.
Definitely some high winds or
Yeah.
some strong RFD or something came down here.
All right.
All at once too.
We got hit a few minutes ago by some pretty strong RFD, and apparently it came this way too because there's pretty big branches down here in the road. So could have had a tornado hit this area, since we were getting hit by leaves as we were coming this area that were just falling from the sky. Could be rain rat. Where's the rotation?
I'm looking right to our right.
So we're driving into it right now.
To our left, south.
So area rotation is just off to our left.
Yep.
So we'll exercise caution since we are just about to drive into where a tornado could be. We are close to Warren.
No service.
I got service. I got 30. So we are driving into the circulation right now, guys. We're punching the core of a tornado-warned cell. Lots of lightning. This will be rain rat. What is it? Got stronger winds, stronger rain. Intercepting this cell live. left here in a minute.
Hold on. Yeah, we're gonna turn left.
Woo! So we're just on the side of the course. Look at all the leaves. Something did come through here.
Yeah.
Look at all that. Look at all the leaves on the ground, all the branches. Sorry guys, losing the reception here amongst these trees. The tornado warning had been allowed to expire, but this is still a severe thunderstorm producing heavy rain, strong winds, and the possibility of very large hail is still with this cell. There still is an area rotation, so but we are live here on once was a tornado warned cell. Directly in the middle of it, we are in the rotation.
Has it further east?
Sorry guys, like I said, we're losing reception. We're trying to keep everything going here. We are just on the edge of the cell, so that's why we're getting a lot of the lightning and experiencing the heavy rain and the winds. So when do we turn? I'll just, sorry guys, getting a lot of lightning here around us. Losing reception. We're in heavy rain. We're on the outer bands of the tornado warned cell that was once tornado warned, but still producing a lot of rain, heavy rain, very gusty winds. We're just on the edge of it, so we're gonna try to keep this going. Whoa. Fresh oil. Wow, that's great. Ooh.
Got quiet all of a sudden.
That sign said fresh oil.
Oh, great. Maybe a little bit of hail sticking in there too.
Yeah. Ooh. Maybe it was a good thing we're in the trees. That'll help block some of the hail.
Right? Oh man, now we're completely in the trees. Good Lord. I still have no service here.
Okay. So this cell is moving directly toward Monticello. If you're in Monticello, take cover. But we are in a huge cell that was tornado warned. We got slammed by RFD. And we're just on the outer bands of it. Sarah said hey.
Where should I?
Yeah. If you guys are seeing this lightning, let's see the thumbs up just roll across the screen. If you're seeing the lightning flashes. So I'm not sure what the camera picks up and what it doesn't.
Heavy duty rain, that's
Yes, we are in the jungle. In the jungle. Trees everywhere. Getting slammed with easily 50-mile-per-hour gusts right now, guys. It literally rocks the vehicle. Good thing I put that Rain X on the windshield. Kind of feel good about that. I guess not. They're not seeing any. Whoa! Lots of cloud to ground lightning in front of us. Got heavily ponded roads. Phone's hot as shit. Sorry, guys. I tried to adjust the phone to catch some of this lightning. It's staying straight, right?
Yep, it's just straight. We're just following it for the most part. So
We are in the core of the cell. You have a perception?
no, I don't. But if we're gonna follow it, we need to hold on, where we're at. We're coming up to 425.
Okay.
Now that will go straight north into Monticello.
Okay.
Is it slow? Is it big city or is it?
Monticello, we went through it.
We did?
We went through it on Wednesday.
Okay.
We
I mean, if you want to go around it, we can take the right option up here, kind
Whoa.
of follow it. But I wish I had service. I mean, I have no clue what it's doing. I'm assuming we're still just right on the edge of it.
just right on the edge of the cell, guys. So
Once we get up here, we go left for a little bit, and then we'll turn right.
well, there's a right here at the stop sign.
Well, that'll take us due south, away from the storm.
Oh, so we want to turn left?
Yep. Yep, turn left here.
Turn left?
Yep.
Okay.
Because that goes away from the storm.
That turn. Oh, that goes away.
Yep.
Okay.
So we turn left.
Oh, Monticello, 5 miles. Star City, 27 miles.
Okay.
So we're about 5 miles to the south of Monticello, heading into the storm,
North.
heading north. Very strong winds, guys. Heavy rain. I don't know if you can hear it on the windshield. It's literally just blasting. That's 278 right here.
Let's just go straight.
Okay.
Mine just updated, so yeah, keep going straight.
Oh, we're on the... Is it still moving towards... Whoa! I know you saw that lightning, guys. Let's see those thumbs up. Let's see them. That was right in front of us. Right on the outer edge. Intercepting.
Oh, we're right. That's rotation. It's right above us.
We are in the rotation according to Doppler. Right over the top of us. Big area. Very broad.
Oh, geez, look up. You gotta be careful here, just in case.
Wow, look at that wind-driven rain. If there's a tornado in this, it will be rain rat. We are just to the south of Monticello, Arkansas. The tornado warning was allowed to expire, but the circulation is still here. Still very strong. Whoa. Big wind gust.
I think we'll stay straight because you don't want to go through downtown Monticello.
Okay.
Straight, stay straight.
Appreciate you guys tuning in. You're watching live storm coverage. We are in Monticello, Arkansas on what was tornado warning cell. Still has a very huge area rotation with it, according to Doppler, which we are pretty close to being inside. Has a pretty strong gusty winds up to 60 miles per hour. Large hail. And still the possibility of a tornado at any time.
So once we head to the east, see where the area rotation
Yeah.
is going? It's going off that way. So
So what road?
it's going to be hold on. 278.
278?
Yeah, going east.
Okay, 278 east.
Yep.
You guys are watching live continuous coverage. We're in a very strong cell, was tornado warned, which is now just a severe thunderstorm warning. Hope you guys are enjoying this storm coverage. How far?
Less than a mile.
Less than a mile?
Yeah. 78. How far east you want to follow it?
That tornado, is that the sirens going off?
No.
Something wrong with my truck.
It's just your tires. Your tires are humming.
They didn't hum before.
They didn't?
No.
Well, look at all that water.
So we're just on the outside of Monticello. Whoa! Big cloud of ground lightning right in front. Might just be the crappy road. Pretty eerie sky here, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Pretty dark right in front of us. All around us is pretty dark. This is Monticello, Arkansas.
So up here at the light, you're going to want to take a right.
Make a right
Yep. 278 east.
on 278 east. Lots of lightning around us.
Yeah, we got to catch it and start getting ready.
Well, Star City's up ahead.
Yeah.
McGee is. That's us going straight.
That's where it's going, McGee. Straight up McGee. And we were just...
So this will actually be behind us. Are we in it still?
It's going off towards McGee.
It's going off
To the
toward
east.
McGee.
Yep. So that's why you need to take
Whoa!
278, dude.
Lots of flooding.
Area rotation now would be right this direction. Right
So
here.
we are looking right at the area rotation according to Doppler. It'd be right in front of us. So if something were to develop, it would be right here.
Continue on West Maple Street for 3 quarters of a mile.
Come on, guy, really? Big cloud of ground lightning strike right in front. And I want to get in the left lane to continue, right? Whoa! Big thunder, guys. We stay straight.
Yep, on this we're staying straight.
There was a pretty good lightning strike right on top of us. You guys are watching live continuous coverage inside of a once was tornado warned cell moving east toward McGee. We're on Highway 278 moving east toward McGee with this cell.
Okay, you're gonna want
It turns off to the left, right?
to. It looks like it does. Yes.
Yeah, right here.
Yep.
West 278 left lane. We
Yep.
don't want that.
East. Yeah.
We want
But we're
east.
still. Yep. That way, then we'll turn it to the right.
Okay.
Yep. And then from there, we're just go
Dude,
straight.
we were just.
I know.
This is right where we heard the tornado sirens. So that means we lose reception up here.
Oh well.
If we lose you guys, we'll pick you back up when we get closer to McGee.
Check out that rotation. There's some odd other
Yeah,
activity there.
that could be debris. The blue could be foreign objects.
Still not tornado.
So we are in Arkansas, about, I don't know, 15 miles from McGee.
Just keep going this way. There's a tornado. We're gonna turn off on.
So we're trying to intercept the cell that was tornado warned. Tons of cloud of ground lightning. We got 100 people in. Appreciate everyone tuning in. This is live coverage. This cell was tornado warned. It isn't right now. It still has a big area rotation, tons of lightning, and it could be back tornado warned at any time. It has not lost strength. Has not lost any strength at all. Still broad area rotation that we are next to, and could produce a tornado at any time.
Stay with this cell as long as it's still.
So as long as we can, we are going to stick with this cell. There's a good cloud of ground lightning. If the camera picked it up, let's see the thumbs up roll across the screen. Appreciate everyone's support.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that rotation right there.
Oh, dang.
I'm surprised that's not tornado.
Dude, I'm telling you, this is a very broad area rotation, guys. I'm looking at the Doppler. This cell should not be taken too lightly. We will be exercising a lot of caution. This can produce a tornado at any time. And we're gonna stay live as long as we can. And if we lose you, we will pick you guys back up. Make sure you like and follow National Storm Center, so if we lose you, you get the notification that we're back on the air.